Today, let's learn to make a wreath. Here are the materials you'll need. You can find the big cotton yarn on our website. Start with your metal craft ring, 1 skein of big cotton yarn, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Start by forming a horseshoe with your yarn, placing it underneath your craft ring, and then pulling your working yarn up and through to make a loop. This first loop you'll kind of have to hold to make sure it doesn't unravel, but each loop going forward should hold on its own. So make another horseshoe underneath your craft ring, pull your working yarn up and through, and make a second loop. You're going to do this around the entire craft ring circle until you get completely to the other side. For row 2, pull your working yarn up and through each loop of row 1. You will want it to look like a horseshoe as well. Do not twist these, and you will just follow the loops all the way around the circle. For our final row, we're going to pull our working yarn through the next loop and then work in the opposite direction. This just feels more natural to me, but if you need to work the other way, that's fine. So you're going to lay your loop on top of the loop next to it, pull your working yarn through to make another loop, and continue this all the way around your circle. The tighter you make these, the more your wreath will pull in on itself, and the looser you make them, the more it will lay flat. When you get all the way around, grab your scissors and cut your yarn. You'll need just a few inches to tuck through the loop next to it and back around to the back side of the wreath. Next, we're going to fold back our yarn and cut out about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of the filling. This just makes it easier to close up the end. So pull the outside of the yarn on itself and tuck it in for a nice finished end. You'll do this to both ends of your yarn. Then grab your hot glue gun, glue the ends closed, and tuck them underneath another loop to hide them. And that's it. Your wreath is ready to be hung or to have extra decorations added to it. Thanks so much for watching.